Welcome to weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. Today we are going to discuss about gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin, USD, INR, and Nifty, Bank Nifty, and top 10 stocks of Nifty 50 according to their weightages. Okay, so we'll begin with the gold. So as discussed in the earlier weeks, we said at least you can wait up to the level of this, that is for 1790. Now it seems like it is going to go for one more up. Probably this will do like ABC or 1 2 3 4 5. So we're probably going to hit it 18 13 or something. So in case of gold, look for the buy, not for the sell. Silver, uh, as discussed earlier week, like it is going to go for the upside at least for 26 first, and after that it may reverse for some time and go to the upside. Now I'll remove everything. Why we took that? It because it was taking much more time. So if I take this, so it is taking more time. So hopefully it will be doing like 1 2 3 4 or 5. So three-way structure. In three-way, most of the time that will do 38% or little more, or 618%, then it might reverse. So I just adding the Fibonacci here. So 38 will be this, and 38% will be 26, and 61% will be 27 USD. So there is a possibility it can come little bit upper, but probably the time is taking more here to one reversal before it can go any further up. Or so 27 we can expect in case of silver for next week. Crude, as said earlier, like it will be doing for 80%. So it's near 65 and it reversed little bit. So I'm just removing everything so that it will be clear now. Here one more channel. So probably it will going to come for 80%. So it might come little bit down and one more up. It's possible. So that will complete the structure of A, B, and C. So look for buy in case of crude, not to sell. USD INR, as said earlier, like look for at least 75 or 76, because again that was like 80% or 78. So it is consolidating now. Nothing to worry. Here it might be going to hit for one more up. That is for 77 or 78 USD. So look for buy, not for the sell. And Bitcoin USD. So something was here. There was a correction. So we will see how it behaves near this stop, that maybe somewhere around 60,000 or something. So if it comfortably crosses, so we will go one up, or else we do a structure like a zigzag before it can go any further up. Okay. So here in case of Bitcoin USD, hourly chart. So unless it breaks the level of this, don't look for sell. You can stay in a buy for up to the level of 61 change, 61,000 or 62,000. Nifty, as said earlier, like it might come to the downside and it will start reversing from here. So it reversed and hit the top. So there is a probability that it will be going to go for 15,400 or something, or little down into the level of 15,400 or 430. So after that, if it comes down, that's fine, or else it will be going to go for the upside, because this was like a slower consolidation for the downside. So probably it can consolidate here, but one up and a consolidation will lead to one more up, at least to 80%, or this level can be expected in case of Nifty. Bank Nifty, it's same. So it is coming to 80% or high, but level of target will be the less. But one up can be expected in case of Bank Nifty too. So 36,000 and 37,000 can be expected in case of Bank Nifty. So individual stocks now. HDFC, we said here if it crosses this level before the time, it can go one up, but now it is consolidating. So there is a chance that it will come down first and then go upside. So it will be like an expanding triangle here. So here you will look for the sell first up to the level of 2360. Then we can look for the buy for 2617. HDFC Bank structurally hasn't changed much. Expect this like one down. So again, it will be going to go one up. Okay, look for buy, not for the sell. It might hit the level of 1380 first, then to the level of 1520. Hindustan Unilever. So firstly to this level, it can come. After that, it may reverse. But here there is a chance like it will consolidate in between these two areas and go for A, B, C and structure. So here one down, same like HDFC Bank and HDFC. So it will go for buy. ICICI structurally hasn't changed much. As expected, it will be going to go for 640 and further for 680. Infosys, similar structure like ABC. It can come to the downside first, that to the level of 1225 and to the upside again. So that will be completing this expanding triangle or triangle like structure. ITC, look for buy. It is a triangle. Once it breaks this level, it will be going to go for upside. So look for buy, not for the sell. Kotak, again a buy structure. So it is consolidating here. Probably it will come to the level of 1680 and then reverses for 2000 and 2040. L&T, similar structure, nothing has changed. As expected, it will come down and to the upside. So look for buy, not for the sell. Reliance, as earlier said, like if it is coming down, then only it will be going to come down or else one up. See how beautifully it reversed from this structure. It will now going to go for at least like 2152 or something. So I'm removing everything so that it will be clear to all. This will be act as a support. Probably it will go one up at least to this range and downside. So here we might get one up, that is for 2150. Then it might go upside or reverses before it can go any further up and further down. TCS, as expected, from 100%, it is going to go for the downside. So it is going down. So, so the structure is acting like a flat or a triangle. So I'm keeping this. So this is the down. Earlier we asked to stay in a sell. So it is going to go for sell. So probably it will come down before it can go any further. Look for sell in case of TCS. Bajaj Finance. Earlier we were expecting reversal from this point, but it went down and took the support of this earlier trend line and reverses from there. So good sign. So I'll remove everything. So here it will be new structure, not confirmed yet, but it will be going to go for one up before it can go any further down. So it reverse inside the channel, you can say. And here it might crosses the top. Yes, it is. Now this every consolidation will be the good sign for one more buy. for upside. So look for 6500 in case of Bajaj Finance. Okay. uh, Take care of you and your family members health. Stay home and be safe. And being a doctor, I would like to share something like, if you're feeling not feeling well a day or two, it's fine if you're taking some paracetamol or some medicines. But day 3 and day 4, if symptoms are not relieving, if you're progressing in like fever, body ache, or sore throat, please visit doctors so that they can recognize the early symptoms of uh, viral fever or COVID symptoms. Because what happens is, like day 3, day 4, you will be waiting, and the symptoms getting worse on day 5 and day 6. That time, like, we doctors also couldn't do anything. So as early as possible, like if you're taking 2 days, 3 days medicine, it's fine, but don't wait for the day 4 or day 5. So you do visit to the doctors, and please do uh, start some medicines as per their advice. Don't take self medications. That is leading to a disaster, because someday investigating like Vidal, and the Vidal positive, they're coming, they're saying that we have a typhoid, not a COVID. Still they have a COVID symptoms, but this Vidal will not come in the summer, and probably we are drinking the purified water or filter water. The no question of E. coli or typhoid here. Okay, so don't think that every fever is a typhoid fever and stay home, and probably will end up in a viral fever. Okay, so that is my sincere request to you all. You can wait for day 1 or day 2. If you're getting fine, that's fine, you can stay in a home. But if you're not feeling well and not getting good, please do visit the doctors and take their suggestions. Okay, if anything, you can even message me or something. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.